Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact files you want to compress. This reduces clutter and avoids large temporary archives. Once selected, right-click and choose Add to Archive so Winrar opens the archive dialog. This is where you control everything. Make sure to name the archive clearly and pick RAR for best compression or ZIP for compatibility. Once done, set the destination folder and glance at file size estimates so you know the output before continuing. You now configure compression method and advanced options to match your goals. This is where speed, size, and reliability trade off. Select best or good for smaller archives or fastest to save time. Enable solid archive for many similar files to improve ratio. If portability matters, choose ZIP. For password protection and better compression, use RAR with a strong password. Finally, set dictionary size and optional recovery record. These affect memory use and recovery chances, so choose conservatively for older systems. You finish by clicking OK and watching the progress. Large archives can take time and spike CPU, so be patient. Once complete, immediately test the archive using WinRar's test function to confirm extraction will succeed. This verifies integrity and catches issues early. If you need to share, attach the file or split into volumes for transfer limits. If something goes wrong, recreate the archive with a smaller dictionary or add a recovery record, and test again to resolve corrupt or incomplete archives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.